Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of yes, it's Tuesday, August the 5th, 2021. We have here in the daily newspaper only one regular Sudoku. Yes, Sudoku Medium we have here, but also we have a Sudokus in the additional. We have, I believe, 7 extra Sudokus. Yes, we have Sudokus for solitary. Yes, but first we will solve this baby, and this one will be number 3187. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, 26 is a 2 stars. 27 is a 1 star. 25 is 3 stars, and for 4 stars, 24 printed digits. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle. Alright, we have a 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the middle column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there. So we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. I've marked earlier those 2 boxes with the 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 1 and number 3. Alright. Then. How about the 9 in this row? The 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in that column, so the column between. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about let me see. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3. No, we have a 3 there. 2, 6, 7 are missing. 2, 6, 7. And look, we have a 6 and a 7 in this row. So no 6 and a 7 in this box. The 6 and the 7 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. So one digit left in this big square for the number 2. Alright. Alright. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. Okay. Mm-hmm. 187. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7 in one of those two boxes in the last column. So no 7 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and an 8. 1 and an 8. Let me mark those two boxes. 1 and an 8. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and the 6. We see here 1 and 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6. No 6 in these two boxes. There's 6. No 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes. In this column, we have a 6 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6. No 6 there. 6 should be there. Alright. Alright. Then 2, 8, 7. Okay. Okay. Then 2. Let me think. Fine. Okay. 4. Interesting. 1. Okay. So here should be the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. And there 1, so no 1 here. The only place for the 1 in this column should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 2 is missing in this big square. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2, 5, 6, and a 7. 2, 5, and a 7. 2, 5, and a 7. And look, we have a 7 and a 5 here. So no 7 and a 5 in this box. The 7 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 7 and a 5. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 2. Then 2, 2. 218. Okay. How about those 2 missing numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing and 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 5. Okay, so the 5 should be here. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here or there in the middle column. We see there 5, no 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be there. Oh, alright. Alright, alright. 8, hmm. Okay, 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 okay. And now. We have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. So we have a 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. 1 number left in the third row for the number 1, 2. 2 is missing. Alright. 2 in the first row. 2 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here, or there. We see there 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. In the middle column, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. So now we have an 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. 2 is missing. Alright. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the number 6 and the number 2. 2 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, 2 and a 6. 1 number left in the second column for the number 2. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only place for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 6. Alright, 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the sixes are used. I can see digit number 3 and number 6. One box left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. All right. So we have 9, and all the nines are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. All right. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 4 and 7. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Two missing numbers in this row for the numbers 7 and 8 are missing. 7 and 8. Well, I cannot fill this yet. 7 and 8. How about those two numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 8? 2 and 8. Well, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 7. One box left in this big square for the number 5. And the final number of this big square for the number 7. Yes. Finished in 16 minutes. Correct. 15 to 20 minutes I need for a 2 stars Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later. For the other Sudokus for solitary. Yes. In additional. So until then, bye bye for now.